Putting your goals and your tasks down on paper is a game changer. Hey Rach, I'm Alicia, the founder of The Virtual Hustle. Today, I'm going to take you through a day in the life of how I hustle and stay motivated while working from home. First and foremost, I think it's super important to stick to your schedule. I wake up every single day at 4:45 a.m. and I do that without fail. Take this time for you and get your exercise in, get your reading in, even if it's 5 pages, drink your water, and really prepare for the day ahead. And I think that really sets the tone for how the day is going to go. When it's time to start my workday, and that'll be a different time for everybody, I write down 5 to 7 tasks that have to get done today. Putting your goals and your tasks down on paper is a game changer. A huge component of working from home, or really working anywhere, is to have a comfortable workspace, aesthetically pleasing, something that gives you joy. And I use these metal wall racks that act kind of like cork boards, and I put little notes on here that I have to remember, or just some little fun things that I like to see, and I switch it up often. I cannot stress this enough. It's really important to have a comfortable chair, aesthetically pleasing, and I feel like a boss in it. I am like ready to work when I sit down. So one of the biggest hurdles that I deal with and a lot of other people deal with, especially when working from home, is figuring out your time management. One of my favorite tools for time management is this time cube. It's essentially just a timer, but it's nice because it sits on your desk. If something should take you 5 minutes, turn your time cube to 5 minutes, put it on your desk, and it'll beep at you when it's done. And then it's essentially the same thing. It's one way to just solely focus on one thing at a time. I think a lot of people think they're good at multitasking, but they're not. Time blocking your tasks that you already established is huge. One of my other favorite products that is a little out of the ordinary is a full desk mouse pad. It just makes the desk look clean and organized, and when I'm using my mouse, it doesn't fall off the edge. It also makes it easier to write notes on, and it's also easier to wipe down and keep clean at the end of the day. Another thing I highly recommend is to get some sunlight in your office. It just feels so good to get some just real light and not so much artificial light, especially when you're working. I feel like it helps a lot. Key component from working at your desktop all day, and you can really get them anywhere, they're pretty generic, are blue light blocking glasses. These glasses are a game changer. I save the afternoon for more of the fun work, less critical, non-essential work, something that's just kind of on the back burner. I'll save those tasks for the afternoon. And that about wraps up my workday. Happy virtually working, everybody. Thank you, Rachel.